Oh, we got the barbecue going. It's on the full flame. Let's open up and see what we got tonight. We have chicken. Wood underneath. We need to move the chicken. We have pork chops. And yeah, doing nice. Sometimes this barbecue cooks real fast and sometimes it cooks real slow. I don't get it at times. I think I'm going to make an order for new briquettes. Oh, look at the flame. It's going to burn my finger. Is it going to burn the camera if I get real close to it? Do we do a little slow motion for you? Let's come over to the greenhouse. $3.99 for a greenhouse at Costco. Here we have our onions. They lasted all year. I got lettuce starting to come up. I got over here is arugula. And they're starting to come up. This is all arugula. That's all lettuce. We're going to have pepper and tomato. I got beefsteaks started in the house. And you're going to see them just sprouting out. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill it up with more dirt once they get their second leaf. Get their pods off, cut them off. And yeah, start to fill it up. I got one that was about a month old already. And it's first picking up. I got them underneath a grow light, no less. Steam. Look at the snowball bush. Got a bud. Got a number of buds. It's going to slowly pick up soon. Looking back at the sedum. The sedum's picking up. But what's that blue one over there? Isn't that blue? Oh, the bugs are out. Oh, this is lavender. It's a fake plant. It goes up there. It fell out of the bucket. What can I say? Man, if that's steaming, it must be cold out here. Let's open this bad boy up. Put a little bit more wood chips on and get them burning. Just a little bit more. Oh yeah. Smoke it, baby. Smoking. Oh man, I'm just thinking again. And I'm thinking about a DJI mic transmitter alone. Saved myself $119. And yeah, what could I do? Cry about it. It should work to me. I know I could just wait for the sound to come on. I'm not going to really worry. I think that's done. This could go just a little more. This could go just a little more. We'll leave that just like that. We'll put this right on top. Put that right there like so. Come back in 5 minutes. Finish off the barbecue. Now, I know I'm like this. Arms hand length away. And you can hear me pretty good when I talk nice and loud. But once they start to step away, you don't hear me. So that's where the mic comes into play. And the DJI M2, transmitter only, I think would do fine. I got myself the transmitter receiver thinking I would use both of them, just switch back and forth. Now, me at the Pocket 3, I'm still holding off, still waiting. Got other things I'm waiting for. I'm just not sure. See that? Did you see that bird just come right by? If I put my hand out like this with food in it, you think she'll grab it? Well, on that note, dinner's ready. Gotta get on out of here. I'll see you on other videos to come. I'll catch you all later.